What is going on, family? Cribs here. Thanks for coming back and chilling out with me. I love spending quality time with my family. To anybody that is new here, welcome. This is my YouTube channel, BeardSWAG. My name is Mike Cribbs. I'm known as Swag in the bearded community. I have an Instagram channel that is _BeardSWAG_. This is a channel to where I do unboxings, I do tests of beard products, and then I like to kind of break them down for you a little bit and tell you my journey. Today I have a special one for you, so hold tight. Don't go anywhere because this is cool. If you're into this kind of a channel, welcome. Down below there is a subscribe button, a reminder bell, a thumbs up, a thumbs down. There's a lot of things down there you can do. If you haven't already, go down sometime during this video and smash those buttons. It truly helps me and my channel out to get to more people so I can bring this joyous, amazing game that I have here of these beard products to you. Welcome. Welcome to the family. Today, I have a great one for you. I have a plethora of beard products, 10 in all, that I want to share with you. I'm going to go over the scent profiles of each one of them so you can see what stank they got, but I picked out 3 that are in my wheelhouse that I really want to get to know a little bit better. I've done a video on this already. I'll have a card up above so you can go back and you can watch it and see what I thought of it before, but I don't remember any of these products. So, today we are talking about Barbudo Beard Products, and I got to tell you a story about how these things, this came to me, this shipment, this great, amazing monster of a package. It came in a huge box. Let me take a drink real quick. Happy Wednesday, by the way. So we're going to slow down here just a little bit. I've got the scent profiles. I'm going to get on my little tablet here. I'm going to tell you each one of the scent profiles of the 10 products. I'm going to tell you what ingredients are in the balm, in the butter, in the mustache wax, and in the oil. I'm going to tell you that they're made in America. Barbudo Beard Products is the company. 10 profiles I've told you. They've got a bundle on here that you can get, but slow down a little bit here. So I reach out to the company. I already got some, like I said before, sent them to me, and I had a few issues with some of the products. The labels, I'll show you the difference. They've rebranded, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Before, I had a little bit of the separation of the oils from the balm. It separated completely. The balm was underneath, and the oil, when I went to open up, it basically tipped it up on its side, and the oil that was mixed with the balm poured out all over the desk. So I got hold of them, and they were great and gracious enough, and they told me that they were redoing their labels, redoing their branding, and that they would send me some out again. And so I sent the products that I hadn't touched or opened to another reviewer to help them out, to pass it forward so they could do a review and have some products, have some stank. I love sharing. Sharing is caring. So I get this huge box. I mean, it says dry ice, and I'm going to show you something that's really cool. It shows up in the box. I open up the box, and in the box was a cooler, an igloo cooler with, I don't know if I've ever had anything this cool, Barbudo Beard Products right on top of it. All packaged nicely with dry ice inside to keep everything nice and cool for the shipment. How freaking cool is that, guys? So I have a new cooler to go on my razor that represents an amazing beard company who I know I'm going to love. I'm going to test these products out and then give you a review on Saturday. Is that cool or what? Never had anything like that. The presentation, the unboxing was such an amazing pleasure to look at. So let's get into the scent profiles here. So we've got Sundance, which is coconut, papaya, lemongrass, and cocoa, or cacao. I think it's cocoa. They got Hoodoo, which is pipe tobacco and mahogany. They've got Curly, which is vanilla, oak, and mahogany. They've got Harden, which is seasonal, spring, summer edition, lavender, ginger, and lime. Butch, lemongrass, birchwood, and oud. That's one I opened. The Kid, which is seasonal. Spring Summer Edition, Grass and Fig. Next on the list is Porter, Hot Leather Shaving Cream Scent. Poncho, Bay Rum Cedar and Amber. Doc, which is Bergamot, Cedar, Amber, and Black Tea, another one that I opened. The other one else I'm going to be telling you about is the Hoodoo, which is the Pipe Tobacco and Mahogany. They have another one, which is called Dallas, which I didn't see the oil listed on here, but I went on the website and I found the butter, the balm, and the mustache wax in it, and that is juniper, sage, and bamboo. It sounds pretty good, doesn't it? So, I want to show you the labels. These are the new. Awesome looking labels. They've got the ingredients on it. They've got the basically store-ready labels on here that can be drug across the reader. And then you got the Hoodoo, 1 ounce. No scent profile on it, so you got to get on the website to find out. But it's so cool. Now let me show you the old one. This is the old label, which looks almost exactly like it. And this is in the Poncho set. But on the back here, you can see the sticker. It's basically a piece of tape with a label on it. The new one, it's basically in the label itself. So I'll let you see just a minute, see if I can get that focused. See how it's in? More professional. Just something I noticed and I wanted to share. And you can see the old is a sticker that was stuck on there. Same with. This is the old mustache wax. Let me get rid of that hair that's stuck on there. See how the sticker looks over the product? And this is the new one with the label on the front side, not a sticker. And it basically goes like that all through. They got a sticker on the back. The new ones don't. They're all, labels are all good. So, like I said, I'm going to be testing these products out for a week so I can really get in it, see what the feel in beard is. And let me tell you about the oil, what the ingredients are in the oil. And then we'll get into the stank power and the intoxication, the meter, you know, and just the phenomenal intoxication. The oil is argan, avocado, jojoba, hemp seed, rice bran, sweet almond, vitamin E, and fragrance. No essential oil, it's all fragrance. In the balm, beeswax, cocoa butter, shea butter, lanolin, argan oil, avocado oil, jojoba, sweet almond, vitamin E, glycerin, and fragrance. In the butter, slash manteca, cocoa butter, shea butter, lanolin, argan, avocado, jojoba, sweet almond, rice bran, vitamin E, and fragrance. Mustache wax, beeswax, okay? Lanolin, shea butter, argan, avocado, jojoba, sweet almond, rice bran, vitamin E, and fragrance. The beard bundle I want to tell you about. It comes with a 1 ounce oil, a 2 ounce butter, and a peach wood comb for $34.03. The oils are $18 for 1 ounce. The butter is $16 for 2 ounce. The balm, $20 for a 2 ounce. The stash wax, the mustache wax, $6 for a half ounce. So that's your prices. That's the ingredients. I've told you the scent profiles. Now we're going to get into tapping some of this stank. This one is the Hoodoo. The Hoodoo is the pipe tobacco and mahogany. Let me show you the oil. Get it over my microphone here. Nice, clean. Hemp seed. Very nice looking oil, huh? Consistency. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, microphone. So you can see it's probably a medium scent profile. Oh yeah. That pipe tobacco is right at the front, and that mahogany just dances well with it. Great. It's a cologne scent. Oh yeah, I like that one a lot. Very loud scent profile, family. This isn't for the faint of heart. Great. That's probably one I'll start out with tomorrow. Now, let me show you. You can see the different labels. This was their old had the same dude, which I think is the owner, in a cowboy hat. Every single one of them. The oil the balm, the butter, and the mustache wax had all of his faces on it with the cowboy hat. You can see he's staying consistent with the oil. On the balm, a different cat. Probably a friend. I don't know who that is, or a co-owner, a family member. I don't know, but look. You can hear that, right? Now let's just get in there. Pretty nice. That's going to be a really good medium hold wax. Oh yeah, I like that. I would like that. I would like to use that. Same scent profile. No really difference. And you can't really smell the shea butter or any of the ingredients in it. You just smell the scent profile, which is great. Now I'm going to show you the Manteca, which is butter. Same label, different cat. I love this one. And it's a whipped butter consistency. Let me get in there and show you. Light. Very light. Let me see. Yeah, I get a little bit of the shea butter smell out of it, but look at this butter. Oh, very creamy. Oh, look at that just melt. Gone. Ooh, let me wipe this off. Same scent profile. May has a little bit of the shea butter smell to it, but that's okay with me. I don't mind that at all. Cap that one. I just wanted to show you some. And then on the mustache wax, a different cat. Look at that mustache. Got the ingredients on the back so you can see. And the oil and the butter and the balm do not. It's all on the front. You can see. Just get you a close up on that. All the ingredients. Much better. And I don't use mustache wax, but it's pretty good. Man, the first thing in it is beeswax. Let me just... Oh, yeah. That takes a lot of pressure to get that out. Be a good mustache wax, I'm sure of it. Yep, real waxy. That would be a very heavy hold. So like I said, I had 10 of them in here, and that's the first product. I just wanted to show you some of the consistency of the products that they have and the scent profile. Yep, that is a cologne. The tobacco and the mahogany mixing together just makes a really manly cologne smell, and I love that. I can't wait to get that in beard, warm it up, and wear it for a while. See how long it lasts, but that'll be on my review that I come out with on Saturday, family. Next one I wanted to share with you. Same thing. I'm just going to go into the oils right now. Look at that. Different color. This one is the Butch. And what did I say the Butch was? Lemongrass, birchwood, and oud. Now, normally I don't really like lemongrass. It's really strong, really pungent smell. But that birchwood and oud, you know that's right up my alley. The Ambassador Oud has got to smell it. Here we go. Oh, man. That lemongrass is not up front. I can smell the birchwood, and I can smell that oud, that sweet oud, and just a hint of some lemon scent profile, a citrusy scent profile, earthy citrusy scent profile. It's very bright and very rich. I really love that. I can't wait to get that in beard. See, I don't remember last time I did the review if I really got to know these products that well, but I'm going to. I doubt I'll use all 10 of them because some of them really don't sound like it, but I can probably get a good consistency and a base of how these products feel just off of these 3. But some of them may be in your wheelhouse, guys. Like I said, get on their website and check it out. Now, Doc was intriguing to me. Different color. Doc, label, 1 ounce. Got the ingredients on there. I think it would be cool. They've got so much label room right here, and actually a lot of label room on the front too, that they could put the scent profile, at least on the oil, maybe not on the bombs because they got so much crammed on there. You probably could, and I understand with the labels that they want to do. But on here, you could put the scent profile, just a suggestion, so people would know and not have to go onto the website and find out. So this one, Doc, is bergamot, cedar, amber, and black tea. Boy, that sounds like it's going to be deep and rich. Sweet. Oh, yeah. You get that sweetness of that amber. The woodiness and the earthiness of that cedar and that bergamot just mixes perfectly right there together. But then you have that tea smell to it. Oh, yeah. That is a great scent profile. This one is deep, rich, earthy, sweet. Cologne-y, man. That's nice. So those are the three that I picked out that I wanted to share my impressions of the scent profile, the ones that I picked out, probably that I would pick out if I went and purchased it. I have a discount code for you, family, and it is SWAG20 for 20% off. You get free shipping over $35. $35 and over, you get free shipping on everything he has right now. Use SWAG20. So, family, that's what I've got for you. I'm going to go ahead and use these products. I'm going to test them out, tell you about the feeling beard, how my beard feels with it during the day, the scent profile, how it lasts, and what I think. These are really loud scent profiles. So that's what I've got for you, family, today. I just wanted to share this experience with you, like I always do, spend some quality time with you on this wonderful Wednesday, hump day, Mike, right? But anyways, as always, I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody that you love them and that you're proud of them. Go lift somebody up. Go forgive somebody. Go ask forgiveness of somebody. Always be supportive of somebody. Make moves. Don't make excuses, one foot in front of the other, family. God bless as always. Cribs out.